Winter in Murree feels different. Snow falls quietly, not to impress, but to calm the soul. Here, time slows down, and nature speaks in silence. Snowflakes rest gently on trees, as if nature is taking a deep breath. No rush, no noise, just the sound of winter arriving. Every step on fresh snow feels soft and peaceful. In moments like this, worries fade and the mind becomes quiet. The mountains stand still, wrapped in fog and snow, strong, calm, and timeless. They remind us that stillness is also strength. Snow falls without sound, yet it changes everything. Sometimes the most powerful moments are the quiet ones. Empty roads covered in white, telling stories of peace. This is Murree in winter, simple, silent, and deeply calming. As daylight fades, winter light feels warmer. A reminder that calm moments always exist if we slow down enough to notice. If this snowfall brings you peace, let nature stay with you a little longer. Thank you for being here. Welcome to Wonders of Nature.